Kwa ihinda ciikaro cia kamiti ya miario ya WUIGUANO ikoretwo irigicirie kwamukira mawoni kuma kuri anyiti itemi miario-ini ino, mendekithia maria mamukirite makihinga 258.
I wish to report the following: that we had 31 had delivered memoranda to Parliament buildings. We had 46 delivered to Bomas of Kenya, and we had 181 via email. So a total of 258 memoranda that we have received.
We can actually conclude that this has been one of the most consultative processes that one can ever come across.
Na thutha wa kurikia guthikiriria mendekithia maya, Gavana wa EMBU CECILY MBARIRE augite Mwerekera uria miario ino ukuoya wa gatatu kiumia giukite na wa gukinyaniria WUIGUANO iguru ria maundu matano maria mwena wa Azimio na Kenya Kwanza metikiranirie marorwo.
Be able now to begin a consensus building on the 5 issues starting on Wednesday, and we will be working long hours, probably into the weekends, until we are able to build consensus on those issues. Even those issues that were brought before us that may not have been part of the 5 issues, and which issues we consider to be important, we'll also give them time and think through them and give consideration of the same issues.
Gatagati-ini ka maundu maya ni uhoro kunainie na waragania ithurano-ini, kamiti ino igibacirira kubwo weru gwa kamiti ya IEBC na uhoro wigie ugai wa mihaka na ho guthurimwo gwa githurano kia mwaka muhituku, ndeto igie maundu ma gigatiba magikuruhania garama ya muturire na watho wa maiganania, uhoro wigie wiathi wa ciama cia kiuteti, gwetha kihonia kia igena cia NGCDF, NGAF na gia Senate, na muthia uhoro wigie ukinyaniru wa giturwa kia minister munene na kubwo kwa wafici ya mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro.
We seem to have had convergence on a number of issues so far. And therefore, as we resume next week, we shall basically be focusing on building consensus around those other outstanding issues. And we are sure that we are going to be able to deliver to Kenyans.
As the co-chair said, we already have certain issues where we already have convergence. So we see ourselves able to meet the deadline. If not, we will cross the bridge when we get there.
No ona miario ino igithiaga na mbere, ndugamano igie guthurimwo gwa githurano kihituku ni koretwo ikiyumiria, mwena wa Azimio gikinyiriria no nginya mutaratara uyu tafanio, naguo mwena wa Kenya Kwanza ukiuga uyu ni undu watwithanirio ni magoti.
It is by auditing that then we can know what we are fixing. What is the problem that we are fixing with IEBC?
The highest level of the judiciary, that is the Supreme Court, had already pronounced itself on the matter of the 2022 presidential election.
Riu kamiti ino itigaritie thiku 22 cia gutabania ciikaro ciayo na gutemania riboti ya muthia kuri bunge ya bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.